Check it out, the Mob Armor action camera mounts, compatible with the DJI Action 6. Armor action cam bundle comes with 3 mounts. Says compatible with all action cameras. Let's find out. In this awesome case, traveling case. Pick it up, hold it. Boom! If they know me, they know I like stickers. 3 replacement mounts with the adhesive on the back where you can stick to wherever you want to. It comes 3. Alright, so for these 2 mounts right here, this one's pretty much stationary. You'll have to find these in here. You'll have to find the mounts with the adhesive parts. Stick those to where you desire, whether it's on your buggy, windshield, wherever. Dash, console, bumper, what have you. Like this right here. That's what they'll do. Like I said, this does the same thing. This is just like the kind of like the Mobnetic Max. This swivels and can turn around and move. Same thing, this goes with these. Moving on, you have the claw clamp. Now you twist this to open it up to put it somewhere. And this unscrews, the action camera goes right in here, and tighten down on this on where you want it to go. Stick it right here. Take it off, move it around. Force it up. Now that first one that you just saw right here, this one's stationary for like pickups and stuff like that. But it's still a magnet. This one here on the DJI Action 6, this one still magnet, but it can swivel. Tighten it up, move it around. Different angles. Put it at 90. Wherever you need it at. Next is a claw mount. Super versatile, stick it anywhere. Tighten down right here. Also swivel, move around, tighten up. You can check them out on mobarmor.com for all your phone mounts, action camera mounts, and any other accessories. You can see it right here. Let's go give it a test. We got it locked on, tightened down. Let's ride. Test it here, see if it works. Let's rip.